The Canadian government has officially confirmed that it will receive at least 16 F-35A Lightning II stealth fighter jets from Lockheed Martin, up from the original plan to acquire 88 units. Meanwhile, the order for the other 72 aircraft will be determined later in the future. Canada's Minister of State for Defence Acquisition, Stephen Fuhr, in an interview with CBC News stated that Canada does not intend to exit the current contract, as 16 aircraft are currently in production. Fuhr's remarks come amid a review of the controversial F-35 acquisition program, which was originally valued at about $19 billion but now exceeds $27.7 billion, according to a Canadian government audit. The report cited inflation, high global demand for weapons, and infrastructure delays as key factors driving up costs. Sources at the Canadian Ministry of Defence said Canada had paid in full for 4 aircraft and acquired components for 8 others. The first aircraft delivery is scheduled to take place at Luke Air Force Base in Arizona, where Canadian pilots and technicians will begin training in 2026. The Royal Canadian Air Force, RCAF, plans to gradually replace its current CF-18 Hornets, which are expected to remain in service until early next decade. Canada has participated in the Joint Strike Fighter (JSF) program since 1997, investing approximately $500 million and securing contracts with local companies worth more than $1.8 billion. The agreement, signed in January 2023, provides for the acquisition of 88 F-35A as part of the Future Fighter Capability Project, FFCP, to modernize the RCAF fleet and maintain interoperability with NATO allies and NORAD. However, the full continuation of the program faces political and economic challenges. Prime Minister Mark Carney ordered a full review of the contract in March 2025, following trade and diplomatic tensions with the United States. Reuters reports that a final decision on the continuation of the F-35 purchase is expected to be announced by the end of 2025. Despite pressure from Parliament to review the agreement, military authorities advocated that the original plan for 88 fighter jets be maintained. An internal Ministry of Defense report stated that splitting orders or adopting aircraft from different sources, such as the Saab Gripen, Eurofighter Typhoon, or Dassault Rafale, would increase logistics and training costs. Nonetheless, some sectors of the Canadian government are evaluating the possibility of a joint fleet, combining the F-35 with European jets, as a way to reduce technological dependence on the United States and diversify international partnerships. The program also carries industrial and political weight. More than 30 Canadian companies are involved in F-35 production and maintenance. Beyond budgetary considerations, decisions about the F-35's future also reflect Canada's strategic concerns regarding Arctic defense and NORAD cooperation.